There are 3 basic steps to follow before you can begin using Station SDF. Step 1, gather your data. Step 2, format your data. And Step 3, import your data into Station SDF. In this video, I will show you how to format your data. For the first example, we'll be using participant employment status at entry. The correct format for this field is the number 1. As you can see, this column has not been formatted correctly. So you'll begin by selecting the column, click Home, click Find and Select in your editing field, click Replace, and then you'll begin replacing with the correct format. So we'll begin with PT. We want to replace it with the number 1. Click Replace All. Click OK. Now we'll enter FD. We also want to replace it with the number 1. Click Replace All. Click OK. As you can see, this column has now been formatted correctly. So for this second example, we'll be using the gender column. We'll begin by selecting the column, click Home, and as you can see, this column has not yet been formatted. The correct format for this column is a number 1 for male and a number 2 for female. So we'll begin by replacing female. We want to replace it with the number 2. Click Replace All. Click OK. Then we will enter male. We want to replace that with the number 1. Click Replace All. Click OK. Now you can see that this column has been formatted correctly. Once all your data has been formatted, you may begin importing into Station SDF. So we'll click Close. And you can find the correct formats in your instruction manual on page 9 if you have any further questions.